Okay, so I'm reading the manual and I'm going to assemble whatever I can here in this drone. So here is the manual. I'm reading the quick start guide, and okay, it does say the battery part. It does say please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time and refer to the quick start guide. So I don't know how to remove this battery, but in the step 2 I've already downloaded the DJI Fly app. So for the number 2 step, it does say that I have to remove this one. I don't know how to remove that. Let's just remove the stickers, because I'm not going to fly it. I'm just going to assemble the propellers. Okay. Step 2, got it done. Do I just push this? Well, I guess it is. And then set this one too. Oh, okay, downward, not pull. Okay, there we go. And then I guess you have to do the other side too. Okay, so I finally pull apart this, what do you call this? Its legs. So I need to take this off so that I can charge the batteries. So they say that to pull the batteries is to press it, then pull up. It's not moving. There you are. Okay, so for the charging hub, you need to charge this. This is the power adapter. I already removed this. They have this beautiful Velcro that keeps it tidy. So push this here. There you go. Plug it in your outlet, and then let's see. Guess you have to put it here. Okay. It's not magnetic. So when you plug it correctly, you will see a green light over there, here, in the top part. Let's put this there. Press it. Okay. So, how will I know if it's charging? The manual said that it will blink. I think I should call a friend. Don't even know if it's charging. Oh, it's not on. Okay. Okay, so this one I think is charging. I read that the battery charger, or the charging hub, charges the battery that needs the least charge. So I guess this is the battery that needs that least charge of. So this one is charging because it's blinking. And while doing that, I've already pulled this one. The controller sticks here. Put it here, and here I will unscrew it, and it's from there, and I put it to there. There we go. Then, okay, let's put this aside first, because the step 3 is putting the propellers on. Okay. So there are stickers here. There's the B, the A, and the B. So the mark, the propellers, I've already in plastic them. So they said that the propellers are marked with a silver thingy. So this, I guess this is the marked and this is the unmarked. It's the only difference that I can see. So this is the marked and this is the unmarked. So you can see the silver thing in the center part of the screw type, I guess. So the marked one is for the A. So said to push it downward and then twist to lock it. Okay, you have to hold the bottom part too. The marked one is for the A. Okay. And the unmarked will go to the B stickers. There you go. And let's remove the stickers. How will I know what's the A and not? If I remove this, how will I know where's the A and B? Do you get me? Should I remove it? Keep it on. Step 2 says that I have to remove this. But I'm not flying yet, so. Step 4, I already screwed this controller device. This is so neat because I can unscrew it. And this is where, I know that this is where you put your phone to see where the drone is going. Is there a button? Okay, there's not. There you go. And there's a wire. Oh, perfect. It's for Apple. So I guess that's where you will use the other wires. Here, you can change it for your Android phones or other kind of phones. This one is a USB cable for the battery to power bank adapter. So that goes in there. These are the other wires. Let's put this aside. And let's push this back in. Oh, I might break it, so let's push it back. How to push it back? Oh, okay. So I need to read the manual. It's 100 page, I think. I'm a manual girl. Before flying it in this perfect weather, I hope I can finish it and I can show you guys how I first fly my drone. Okay, so I'm going to fly my drone. We went to this place where there's no tall buildings or there's no trees, and I'm gonna set up my drone, and it will be my first time to fly this drone, and I hope I won't crash it. So after 30 minutes of pre-flight check, I finally have the courage to start the engine on. That's my friend's drone in front of my drone, droning me. I took it up for a little bit, then practiced my landing skill. I then took it off and just let it fly. It even has this obstacle avoidance feature. I then decided to try out its focus track feature, a thing that vloggers need for their videos. The spotlight feature only focuses the subject on the center, but you still have to control it. So the first thing I tried out was active track. It can easily track me, but when I decided to track cows or animals, it said that it can only track vehicles and humans. So as you can see, I'm not doing anything, and it can easily track if I am walking or running, and at the same time, it focuses me on the center. I am also amazed that it automatically adjusts to maintain its distance from me. This one is the point of interest feature, and it tracks me in a circle based on the radius and flight speed that I can control and set. This is a feature that I am currently loving, and it makes me feel that I am a professional flyer. I then decided to try this feature if it can track me on a 4x4. It did a good job at first, but I noticed that whenever I turned my back on it, it loses track of me and just hover into place. So as long as I kept my face visible, it will continue to track me. Again, this is the point of interest mode. Even if I'm moving, the drone can actually adjust and still track me and still circle above me. You can see here that I'm moving too fast, and when I turned my back on it, the drone immediately stopped tracking and circling around me. But when I showed my face back to the drone again, it immediately recognized me and continued to track and orbit around me. So there you are. I'm purely a beginner in flying drones, but because DJI made this aircraft a very intelligent one, I was able to fly it on first try and also shot some difficult maneuvers on autopilot. Hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment below what you think about the Mavic Air 2.